How to fix WhatsApp business keeps stopping. So if you're having the problem, then simply hold on to the app for some time. Now tap on the I icon. It will lead you to settings. I stands for app info. Now scroll down a bit. Tap on the storage section. Here you'll find clear cache and clear data. Tap on both of them. Tap on clear data. Agree and continue. And you must be logged into the device first. So after you log in, tap on clear data. After that, simply head back and try reopening the app and see the problem is fixed or not. Else what you can do is head over to your Play Store. Now search for the application, tap in WhatsApp Business, and we'll see if there is any update available or not. So if it shows open, that means your app is already up to date to the latest version. If not, then there will be an update icon. Make sure to tap on that to install to the latest version, and that will fix all of your glitches. After that, simply close the app. Now go to your navigation bar, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your airplane mode on. After that, wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, turn off your airplane mode. Now simply head back to your Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and reliable internet connection. Now you can simply open the app and your problem should be fixed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any queries, please comment down below.